Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your Wix website appear on Google. Verify your site in Google Search Console and submit a sitemap from your Wix dashboard immediately. Next, set clear page titles and meta descriptions with your main keyword to help ranking. Use clean URLs, add alt text to images, and build a few quality backlinks from relevant sites to improve authority and indexing speed. In this video, I will show how to make your Wix website appear on Google. Start by choosing one target keyword for each page and include it in your title, H1, and opening paragraph naturally. Compress images and add descriptive alt text to improve load speed and accessibility. Create internal links between related pages to help visitors and search engines explore your content, and update content regularly to stay relevant. In this video, I will show how to make your Wix website appear on Google. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so try darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long setup sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make your Wix website appear on Google. Make sure SSL is enabled so your site runs on HTTPS and users trust it. Choose a mobile-friendly Wix template and test page speed, fixing slow elements. If you serve local customers, claim your Google Business profile and keep hours, categories, and reviews updated to show up in local search and map packs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.